In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix blurry skins on Fortnite. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you simple steps that you can follow to make sure that every single model and skin is loading properly on Fortnite. So if you notice that they are not loading fully, or they are blurry or pixelated, follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video, and this is going to help. So, this is usually going to be tied to the in-game graphic settings. So to resolve this, go over to the settings. When you go over to the settings, the default tab is what we're looking for, video. And in here, you will be able to find various settings tied to graphics. All that you have to do here is make sure that primarily the texture quality, the view distance, and performance mode are set accordingly. So the biggest one is going to be the texture quality. You can just use one of these presets if you want. It makes the process easier because you don't have to go through each individual option, or you can just go to textures and make sure that it's set to epic. The lower the texture quality is, the more pixelated or blurry everything is going to seem. It's hard to notice the difference here, but if you were to change this from low to epic, you would notice a lot less details in some of these items and outfits. So this is something that you should definitely change. There are other settings also tied to how sharp or pixelated or blurry everything is going to be, namely super resolution, anti-aliasing, and like I said, performance mode if it is available for you on consoles. As long as you change all of this and also view distance so you can see other outfits and players from afar, you should be able to get the best texture possible when looking at any outfit, skins, and so on. So change the texture quality, view distance, and performance mode. Remember as well to make sure that you are running Fortnite on the native resolution that your monitor supports. By going into the most biggest native resolution that you can, you will get the best display resolution possible, and everything is going to be as sharp as possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix blurry skins on Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.